Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Rio5. It's the hatchback version of the Rio. That big green sticker in the upper right hand corner is telling us that the car is a certified pre-owned unit. The certification program is run by Kia Canada, and you should check out the features and benefits of that program should you decide to come down and drive this vehicle or purchase it. As we get on the side of this Kia Rio, there's a sticker in the window that says Sirius XM is on. It comes complete with 3 months of Sirius XM radio for you to enjoy. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some of the functions. This car only has 69 kilometers on it. Steering wheel, of course, has the cruise and the audio controls. And inside the car, we have Sirius satellite radio as well as AM/FM, and we have a backup camera, climate control, and auxiliary USB and a charging port down below. Car also has heated cloth seats in the front, a heated steering wheel, and a drive mode select for sport mode. Driver seat is height adjustable. Going to the back of the car, plenty of room back here for people. Everybody can ride in comfort on those beautiful black cloth seats. At the rear of the car, nice big cargo area. Carry suitcases, groceries, hockey bags, anything you need to carry. There's also a cargo shelf that keeps your stuff from being seen by anybody walking by the car. This beautiful little 2018 Kia Rio5 is available at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. And we're open 9 to 9 Monday to Friday. Actually, that's Monday to Thursday. Friday, Saturday, we're open 9 to 6, and Sunday, we're open 11 to 5. Come on down, take this little Rio5 out for a test run. Bring the family down. See how well everybody fits into the car and how well the car will fit into your lifestyle. And yes, that is a used car with only 69 kilometers on it.